Hi, my name's Andy. I work for Fernox as an ASM. I'm going to quickly run through the F1 Protector Express and how quick it is to dose through your radiator bleed vent. So the next thing you want to do is turn the central heating system off to allow the radiators to cool. From then, come to the radiator that you want to be dosing with and turn off the TRV and the lock shield on the other end. From then you need a bleed key. So you're going to be taking out the air vent on the top of this radiator so we can then dose through with the F1 Express can. Just make sure you have a towel and a little bucket underneath the rad because you will have some excess water come out of the radiator once you start undoing the air vent key. So once you've taken the air vent out of the system, you need to get hold of the adapter and the express can. The express can will come with some adapters suitable for the air vent that we're going into. Also we have one for the filter, and then we've also got one for another adapter which goes into the top of the radiator, screws into the top of the radiator. So what you need to do next is get a Stanley blade, cut off the length to make sure the width of this is the same width as inside the air vent. What you can do next is screw this into the air vent like so. You can see it goes in relatively easy. So once you're in and it's tight, you'll feel it tighten up. Once it's nice and tight, what you need to do is then connect your express can to the radiator adapter. Once we've done this, we can then go ahead and open up the TRV and then express dose the system. So just finishing off the dosing. Once the dosing is finished, we need to reverse the process. So what we're going to do is turn this rad valve off. We're then going to undo this from the radiator. You will get some dribbles of water come out of here. Don't worry about that, as long as you've got the towel and bucket, that will mop up easy. So clean any excess water off, and then we just reverse the process by putting the air vent back into the radiator, like so. Once that's tight, you're going to go ahead and open up the TRV and the lock shield on the other side. Once that's done, you can then go ahead and bleed the radiator to make sure there's no more air in the system. Please go to our website www.fernox.com for more information, and hopefully you'll find the F1 Protector a helpful and quick way of dosing the system.